Hi, Matt with Ruger Firearms here at SHOT Show 2025. I want to present to you the new Ruger RXM pistol. This was just announced at the end of the year, is shipping now, and has an MSRP of $499. The real story though is RXM is the collaboration of Ruger and Magpul to build this pistol together. Ruger, we did all the top end, the slide, the internal frame, while Magpul did the polymer actual EHE, their enhanced handgun grip. So we shipped this as a stealth gray, and then, well, this is also stealth gray. This is an example of what you can get from shopruger.com or from Magpul directly that is completely replaceable. The reason we can do that is we have a stainless fire control insert that is the actual serialized firearm, and that comes out of the grip frame with just a couple of quick pins. Now, RXM is also made to be highly Glock Gen 3 G19 compatible. So that's the slide, the trigger, the barrel, the parts, all the small springs and pins and guide rods, that all works. Not that you actually need it though. We ship this gun with metal sights, front and rear, including a white outline front tritium ring. And then the slide is already drilled and tapped for optics and is direct mountable for the RMR, RMSC, and Delta Point Pro footprints. For more information about the Ruger RXM, visit Ruger.com.